Hello everyone! We're back with Teacher Lynn for another fun art activity. And this is perfect if you don't want to get your hands dirty. So, what are we going to do today, Teacher Lynn?
Oh, we are going to make our no mess art. So, are you ready? Are you sure? Alright, I can hear you. Alright, let's go!
And what do you need for this art activity, Teacher Lynn?
Oh, we need paint. We need sorted paint. We have yellow, blue, and red. And also we need paper. Paper and plastic.
First, let's put our plastic aside. Let's put some dots on our paper using our red, blue, and yellow paint.
You need to shake first.
There you go. After that, slowly put it inside the plastic bag.
Slowly, slowly.
Make sure you put it in and then ta-da! Now you can start making your artwork.
Using your what? What is this? Yes, your two hands. Are you ready? Oh yes, let's go. Ooh. Ooh, nice. Rub-a-dub-dub, rub-a-dub-dub.
See, you can use your fingers. You can use your whole hand. Just spread the paint around.
Yes. Let's see what happened to our paint if we spread it all over. Whoa.
See? And let's see. Let's check. Teacher Lynn, did your hands get dirty?
Ta-da! Of course not.
No mess art. There you go. Now it's time to try this art activity with a friend. So here's Teacher Lynn with her friend Teacher Eloy. And we need the same art materials. Let's try a bigger paper this time. Whoa! Don't worry, that's just recycled paper. So you can use an old calendar. There you go. Plastic. A bigger one. And of course, you need paint. Now let's tape the paper first on the table. Now, let's take turns putting dots on the paper. You can put dots or lines on the papers. Teacher Lynn first.
Shake, shake, shake.
Now, Teacher Eloy's turn. Teacher Lynn's turn again. And then Teacher Eloy. Ooh, I think we have enough paint on our paper. Now let's tape the big plastic cover on top for our no mess art with a friend. Ooh, I like that they're helping each other. Here we go! Enjoy painting! And let's paint again! Let's check their hands. Did their hands get dirty? Still clean. Enjoy painting.